Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas Holiday Treat Edition. In today's video, we are making eggnog cupcakes. If you're interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, don't forget to look down below, press that red subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Okay, so here we have the ingredients for the cupcakes. Up first, we have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Everything has been sifted together here. Here we have 3/4 cups of, my oven is heated. Here we have 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 eggs. We have 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature. Here we have 3/4 cups of eggnog at room temperature, and then we'll be using a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We started by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so we're going to start by adding our stick of butter to the bowl, and then we're going to turn the mixer on, mix for a few, and then add our granulated sugar. I'm going to go in and add the vanilla extract, and then I will add my eggs one at a time. Next, I'm going to move on to adding our flour mixture and our eggnog. Because I am adding eggnog, I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. So I'll add about 1/3 of the flour mixture, 1/2 of the eggnog, another 1/3 of the flour mixture, the rest of the eggnog, and then I will finish with the rest of the flour mixture. All right, so our batter is done. Let me go grab my cupcake tray and we'll be right back. All right, so these are the cupcake liners that I will be using for the cupcakes. I actually found these at Hobby Lobby, along with the straws. So once our cupcakes are done and I have iced them, I will cut straws either in 2s or 3s and have those sticking out of the cupcakes, since we are making eggnog cupcakes. So now I'm going to go ahead and line my cupcake pan. So you guys know, anytime I make cupcakes, I like to use an ice cream scoop. This makes all of my cupcakes pretty uniform in size. And you can see it's not filled to the very tip, but almost there. And then we're going to scoop it inside. All right, so this is what I have left in my pan after making 12. And I have enough in here to get about another 2 cupcakes. So you can just keep that in mind should you decide to make this recipe. So I'm going to put this in the oven. Again, the oven has been preheated to 350 degrees, and they will probably bake anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. But I'll let you guys know how long it takes in my oven when we take them out. Here are the cupcakes out of the oven after 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead, remove them from the cupcake pan, let them cool on the cooling rack, and then we'll be back to make the icing. Here we have the ingredients for the icing. We'll be using an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 16 ounces of powdered sugar, and I will be adding some eggnog to the icing. I'll probably use about a 1/4 cup, maybe just a little more. So we're going to start by adding the cream cheese to the bowl. We're going to turn the mixer on, add our vanilla extract, and then powdered sugar. Okay, so here I have my cupcakes in a cupcake tray. I'm just going to go through, pipe some icing on top, sprinkle a little nutmeg on top, and then place our straws in, and we'll be all done. So here we have our straws. I'm just going to go through and place one in each. All right, so let me bring you guys in for a closer shot. All right, guys, we have made it to the end of this video. Here we have our finished product, our eggnog cupcakes. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, don't forget to look down below, press that red subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes, come back for some more Vlogmas Holiday Treat Edition videos. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.
We'll be chilling and having having a good time.